Head up in the clouds, oh my, since I met you.
Hey guys, Irene here. Today I'm doing another one of my vintage clothing hauls. If you are new to my channel, I'm a photographer and I buy a lot of vintage clothing to use for photo shoots. Some of these pieces I can definitely wear in everyday life, but most of them are not intended to just like wear on the street. They're mostly intended for pictures. Okay, so the first piece I'm gonna be talking about is actually the dress I'm wearing right now. I bought this one from Etsy. Etsy is definitely one of my favorite places to shop for vintage clothing online. This one was, I think, around $40, and all of the prices I'm gonna be saying are in Canadian dollars. I absolutely love the color of this dress, the cut of it, the fact that it has like these crochet details all over it. It also can go on and off of the shoulders, and I love how poofy the shoulders are. It is so feminine and so beautiful, and yeah, I can definitely see myself wearing this in summer and also using this for a photo shoot. So yeah, this was the first piece. This next dress I got from Value Village and it was around $15. I'm just shocked how well it fits me. It literally seems like someone made it just for me. It fits me absolutely perfect, and I will be definitely wearing it myself and also try to use it in a photo shoot because it is so feminine, so vintage, so beautiful. I also thought that it looks amazing with this belt and looks a little bit more modern, so probably not for a photo shoot but for everyday life. And that belt was from Goodwill, I think around $5. Here's another Value Village find, and this was only $10. This dress is too big for me, but I actually prefer when the dresses are a little bit bigger. That way it can fit a size medium, small, and extra small, so depending on what kind of model I'm gonna have, I can kind of fit her in this dress regardless. If she is smaller and this dress is too big on her, all I'm gonna do is take a clamp and clamp it in the back like this, and now it fits perfect. I was specifically looking for something with the collar like that. I think is gonna be just absolutely perfect for a photo shoot and gonna give that timeless vintage vibes. This next amazing dress is from Etsy. I don't remember exactly how much I paid. I think around $30. I think someone actually made this dress like themselves because I can't see any tags, and the material is so different. Like the top and the bottom are so completely different that I kind of feel like someone made it. But nevertheless, it's absolutely beautiful. And I don't have anything like this in my collection. I don't have colors like that in my collection, so I thought that I just have to have it. Next, I have a skirt and a blouse. I was looking for a specific look, kind of almost Victorian inspired, with a librarian blouse with puffy sleeves, or maybe something detailed on the collar, and a long A-line type of skirt that has a little bit of poof to it. This blouse was, I think, like $4, and then the skirt was $12. I'm gonna show you guys how to like transform this look with a few accessories. I also got this velour vest, and it has beautiful beading all around it. I still have the tag here. It was $7. It is a little bit big. It is a size medium, but what I like is that at the back it has little ties, so you can make it a lot smaller. So I thought that this color is gonna look really nice with this top, and also really any other top. So let's see how like this vest is just gonna transform this look. So here it is with the vest. I'm holding it at the back because, like I said, it's a little bit too big on me. But again, if I was just using it for a photo shoot, I would clip it at the back, and this is all you would see. It would look like this. I also have a bust corset. I think this also might look pretty cool. This corset has some nice detailing over here that would match the skirt, and these kind of blouses always look really nice with under bust corsets. So let's see if this is gonna look good or not. By the way, this corset I think I got from AliExpress like a really long time ago. I don't really shop on AliExpress anymore. But here it is with the corset. Now I look like a pirate or something. A totally different look. While I have this on, I want to quickly show you guys another piece. This is from Etsy, and this was from the same seller that I got that orange and brown dress. This one was a little bit more expensive, I think either $30 or $40, but I just had to have it. I don't have anything like that in my collection at all, and it's just to look absolutely beautiful. So this is an amazing jacket. I love the silhouette of this jacket with these shoulders and the tiny waist. It is just so beautiful. Perfect for a fall photo shoot or a winter photo shoot. This part is velvet. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, just kind of looks black, but it is indeed velvet. Here's another top and skirt combination. This is inspired by like late 40s, early 50s. I'm not saying this is like historically correct or anything, it's just inspired by that decade. These are also from Value Village, both the top and the skirt. The top was really cheap, probably like $3, and then the skirt was a little bit more expensive just because it's wool. I think it was like $10, something like that. I usually don't buy anything that's more than $20 at Value Village, so everything I find there is usually really cheap. Here's another little jacket that's kind of similar to the one I showed before, but this one is not that old, I don't think so, but it has a very similar silhouette, and this one was from Value Village. I think it was $7. Yeah, I just thought this will be perfect for winter or fall photo shoots. The winter is coming, so I needed some cute photo shoot clothes, and I think this looks really nice with this gray skirt as well. Next up is all the lingerie pieces. Again, I would not wear this outside. This is only for photo shoots, but I absolutely love vintage nightgowns, vintage lingerie. I just think it's so feminine and it fits my style perfectly. So if you ever go to Value Village, Goodwill, or any vintage store, secondhand store, always go into their lingerie section and look for beautiful vintage nightgowns. You're bound to find something. I always find at least one piece every time I go. So here's the first piece. This is a 80s Olga nightgown. Olga nightgowns are actually quite expensive now. If you go on Etsy and you type in Olga nightgown, you'll see that they like start from $100. So I was really lucky to find this one for only like $10, I think. But I actually found a robe that same day that is almost the same exact color as this, so I'll definitely be using those two pieces together in a photo shoot. Next is this robe right here. It is actually a two-piece, but the nightgown itself that came with this robe is very stretched out, and I have to repair it, so I won't be showing it today because it looks very loose and out of shape. It just needs a little bit of repairing. But this throw is absolutely to die for. First of all, I have never seen a fabric like this, and this kind of tie, the ties over here, is so Victorian. Oh, it's just absolutely beautiful. I love the sleeves, the tie, the color, the texture, the fabric, everything about it is absolutely beautiful. I have another robe, yes, yet another robe, and this one, the tag says, an original by Doreen for Victorian Rose. So yes, very Victorian, and I'm in love with it. This is a size large, and yes, it is a little bit large, but like I say, for photo shoots, it doesn't really matter. I'm obsessed with this lace. Look how beautiful this lace is. Again, I could put a corset on it. I could put it on top of something as a layering piece. There's so much I can do with this. I absolutely love robes because it adds another dimension to the outfit. When I saw this, I like almost screamed because I don't have anything like this in my collection. This was only $4 and the brand is Mademoiselle. Amazing layering piece. You can use it for so many things. You can layer with any dress, really any blouse, to go with any skirt. Like, look at it. Oh my god. I feel a little bit exposed in this, but this next piece I actually found in a vintage store that I don't go so often. Corset is really small, it like barely fits me, but it is so beautiful. I love how it's like a little bit shiny. I love all the boning in it, and this is actually a separate skirt. It did not come from this corset, but again, I just thought that the color fits so well that it would look amazing as a dress together. Here's another nightgown, Value Village, $6 I think, $6 or $5. Sorry, it's a little bit crinkled. It's gray and I don't have anything in this color. And yeah, I love the back on it. I love the detail on the chest. Really, really beautiful. So this last piece is probably one of my favorites that I thrifted in a while. When I saw it, I was literally shook. $10. $10! It's so beautiful. I don't know if you can see the whole glory of it on camera, but it is amazing. First of all, the detail. There's beading, there's a lace. It has this beautiful, almost silver sheen to it. It's so lightweight. It's the layers, the sleeves, everything about it is just absolutely beautiful. And like, look at the back. Just, oh my god, I died. Can't wait to use it in the photo shoot. Finally, there's this hat. It was only $2 and it's a little bit weird. I don't really like these flowers over here, but for the feathers alone, the $2 was worth it. I don't really buy feathers from any retailers unless they're ethically sourced or they are from a vintage shop. So I mean, the more I look at it, the more I like it. I think for like a really nice portrait, put it on the side like that, it will look pretty cool. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Oh, actually, some of you guys commented that you would like to see me like go into Value Village or Goodwill or vintage store and actually shop for these clothing. So if this video gets let's say at least 3,000 likes, I'm gonna film a video like that. So like this video if you would like to see a video of me shopping for these clothes. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.